Jadi ini karpet harganya 15.660 dolar Amerika. Okay, let's go. We go to another place. Gila, panas banget siang ini. Hah? Nanti pakai krim gua ada di sini ya, body lotion gua. Pakai itu kali ya. Sunblock. Coba keluarin dulu. Ya, tolong ya. Oke, jadi karena panas trik begini, lebih baik kita pakai Nikita Mirzani body lotion. Ini adalah lotion untuk menangkal sinar UV. Taruh di situ dulu, supaya warna kulit kita tidak gelap, supaya selalu putih. Wanna try? Tuh. Aman. Ayo dia mau pakai lotion gua. Supaya tidak hitam.
Iya, baru gua bilang kering banget lo.
Tuh, manfaatnya banyak, apalagi di suhu udara 40 derajat ini mau meninggal, kulit yang sampai terbakar. Kita harus cover dengan lotion yang benar-benar ampuh. Cuman ada di kita bisa nih lotion. Ya tuh. Gila. Jadi kalau kalian pakainya rutin bisa putih permanen. Gue makainya dikit, nggak kayak lotion lain. Kalau lotion lain banyak apaan tahu. Lengket lagi. Nah kalau ini nggak lengket, cepat menyerap ke kulit. Tuh, ya? Langsung.
Oke, good girl.
Meresap. Yuk, bismillah.
Yay!
Let's go. We go, stand up. Let's go. Up. You sit here, and then this is your
we are really lucky.
Thank you, Ramzi.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Very lucky bule.
Nah ini harus
This
need
is
help.
Yeah,
Need help.
Just a minute. You can go.
Yep.
Don't wait if you want in the sun, yeah. Where is? It's coming.
The car is coming, so we
Yes.
don't need to burn our skin. Oh my god, it's so hot.
Hello.
Hot like me.
Hot like you.
Ayo kita go inside. Give me my bag.
Okay, miss.
Okay, thank you.
Take care, miss.
Yes. Koper masukin ke sini. Oh my god. Oh my darling. Oh, so hot. Hi, hello.
Hello. Adventures here for giving me
Very nice meeting you. How are you?
Thank you. I'm good.
Okay, what kind of a camera
This
is
is
that? That is a
my-
Sony
Sony
7R.
Yes, Mark II.
You should be filming that lady with the 7 3S.
Okay, we buy it.
Good. I'm sorry to say, but I'm a Fuji guy
No,
myself.
it's okay.
Okay. Hello, everybody.
Hello, hi.
How are you?
Good.
Okay. Are you ready to
Sure.
learn about handmade
Yes.
carpets? So, shall we?
Shall we? Handmade carpet. Asli.
Handmade carpets.
Original.
Original, of course.
Yes.
Oh my God! Look at that princess up there. Come in, come in,
We have
come in.
one princess.
Come in,
little
don't be shy,
princess,
come in.
Tired.
What's her name?
Hanim.
Hanin.
Yes, this baby Hanim.
Oh my God, that reminds my daughter 21 years ago. Everything is by hand. I will explain you everything. Don't worry.
Okay. So everybody come here, listen to the master.
Okay, your cameras, you can use them here as long as you want. But once we get to that threshold,
No camera.
no camera.
Okay.
So is this going to go on YouTube?
Yes.
Okay, I'm a YouTuber myself.
Really?
Yeah, I have a Turkish channel and I'm teaching photography and video.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Oh, great, cool.
that's why I know a little about cameras.
Yeah.
Okay,
So we start from.
good afternoon everybody. My name is Erdinç, but I know it's not an easy name to keep in mind, so feel free to call me Ed, okay? So here, making carpet is yet a very primitive art form that needs to keep its legacy in terms of primitivity of production. And that is why we are still using vegetable dyes instead of the chemical dyes that are not holding well onto wool, because the structure of the wool does not allow the chemical dyes to be stable enough on top of them. And that is why we are using all the ingredients so generously provided by Mother Nature, such as madder roots, cherry buckthorns, potato skin, onion skin, potassium bitrate, and many other things that you can see here. I mean, just as a little example on these boxes. Okay. Speaking of silk, let me show you what silk is. See, silk is actually a protein extract of those little worms eating those mulberry leaves, because this is the main food, that is the main nutrition source of these animals, and starting wrapping themselves into these cocoons. And when you unwind one of these cocoons, you are reaching your kilometer, guys, right? No mile.
No mind.
Okay.
Kilometers.
I'm just asking. Maybe there is an American in the group. They don't understand centimeter.
Yes.
So this is 1.7 kilometers of length for each cocoon on an average. It is unimaginable. And do you know how we are making threads out of those very, very thin fibers? But and don't let yourself fool by the thinness. It is considered as one of the, if not the most durable natural fiber, and proportionally stronger than steel itself. Okay.
Okay.
But let me show you how we are taking care of the silk. We are using the very modern method of using the sweeper to pick up the starting point of the thread. Oh, you see, there you go.
Oh.
She is good, isn't she? And then she's connecting one of those to that wheel and starting extracting those on an average of 30 threads at a time, more or less. You see, this is how it goes.
And this is real art.
Yeah.
That is a wheel art, absolutely.
Of course.
Going back here, to make one of these threads, which needs to be on the thickness sufficient enough to make carpets, you need to use 800
800.
of these cocoons, spin them together and create literally the strongest natural fiber. You could easily cut your fingers, I'm not kidding. Check that out.
Yeah, it's difficult.
No, don't do that. You can easily hurt yourself. I'm not kidding.
Yeah,
Look,
it's very strong.
a knowledge that you may remember, that you may have read somewhere, because you're young people. But you know, in the early 20th century, they were still using silk to make parachutes and ship sails.
I heard to make the shooting.
Yes, bulletproof vest. I agree. But something you may not know is that Romans in the antique times have used silk and water to cut marble blocks.
Wow.
Like blade, you know, that was sharp, that was perfect cutting tools. This is how strong silk is, and I'm just giving you that idea to help you understand that, on the contrary of what we may think as a silk shirt being very delicate, very fragile, silk carpets happen to be the strongest ones of all.
Of course.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay.
Any question?
Any questions?
Put your hands up.
I'm sorry for the cameraman.
Okay.
We'll say we're going to say goodbye for now.
You are the guru of carpet, please.
No. Come. The weaving part, I'm gonna load because I believe it's important. Let's everybody gather here. Oh, the princess is not joining us. She's enjoying herself out there. Good. Well, folks, handmade carpet is constituted in 3 different main parts. I mean, the vertical strings, known as the warp threads. Then you have the horizontal ones, known as the wefts. And then you have the knots. When we're speaking of only the warps and the weft, we're actually speaking of the basic textile technique, or the flat weaving technique, which is something, I don't know if you have heard the word kilims. Kilim is a flat weave that we also use on floors or hang on the wall, which has been the starting point of all weavings all around the world. And we do estimate the art of flat weave at least of 15 to 20,000 years old. For carpet, we are giving an estimation of anywhere from 5,000 to 7,000 years of handmade carpet history. But to make a carpet, you need to use knots, to tie knots. And there are 2 different knotting techniques known all around the world. You have the double, which is also known as the Turkish or the Gordian knot. And you have the Persian, which is known as a single or the Sene knot. So we are going to ask our friend here to show us a double knot. Bir çift yön göster ablacığım. İsmin neydi? Filiz. To sit down, try to pick the right 2 warps next to each other. Come, sit down.
Oh, it's to be honor loh.
Müsaade et 2 tane şey çeksin. Try to pick
Teach me.
the right 2 ones.
Aduh, bebayang matanya.
That is a fantastic experience.
Which one?
No, don't help her. Don't help her. Do it yourself.
What
Go
is-
through it and see how strong it is. Okay, pick the right 2 next to each other.
Gimana sih?
One of them, yes.
Like this? Oh, no.
No.
You see, even it is not easy look like.
Oh, it's hard.
Okay, you
It's
see
hard.
now?
Yes, I see.
Okay, I'm gonna deliver
That's
you.
why the price
Yeah.
is so
Let me help
expensive.
you.
Jadi kita ujung-ujungnya belanja karpet di Turki. Selalu deh. Tapi kalau nggak beli sayang, karena kalau di sini karpetnya handmade, original by hand. Oh, ini keren.
This is done with approximately 1 million knots to the square meter.
Oh, ini I like this so much.
Yeah, I know, and that is a problem because I told you it's not a cheap one.
How much?
Well, but you know what? As a matter of fact, cheap or expensive is such a relative word.
Yes,
So,
exactly.
I don't know what is expensive or cheap for you. Let me check that out.
This is about the taste.
Yeah, it's
Bu köşede.
Ah.
Burada.
Kucu-kucu otai. Apa itu?
Okay, do you feel ready?
Yes.
That is going to be around $10,000.
Aduh, berapa itu, Cong?
Yeah, it's not that much for
Aduh.
what it is.
Jangan, Mama. Can you make a our price,
Now
please.
it's
Langsung
showtime.
gagap loh gue.
Now it's showtime. Yes. Yes.
Let's see.
How much is this? How much is this? How much the
Well, no, no,
price?
this is the real price.
Yeah.
The real price is $15,660.
15.000. Ini kan dollar Amerika.
American dollars. That's not Hong Kong dollars.
Why you sell it with American dollar? We are in Turkey.
Yes, but this is an international store.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry. Well, guys, one thing that I will make you a better, good discount, but I want the footage that we are together to be able to use it in my own YouTube channel.
Sure.
Okay then.
Why not?
Okay, then I'm gonna make you a very good price on that one.
Okay.
Ready to hear it?
All right.
Forget about the 10,000. Let's make it 8,000.
8,000. How about?
No. No. I know I'm not gonna like the price, so I already say no.
It's still expensive lah.
No, it's not expensive for the work. You are looking at approximately 3.5 years of work on this one.
Expensive loh. Coba tawarin dulu. 5.000.
Ready for another one? Another wonderful piece? Aç abi. Aç.
Oh. Mewah ya, say. Waduh, sama semua harganya, say. Sama semua. Kalau 5.000?
5.000.
Ini kan 15.000. Dia kasih 8.000. Iya, gua tawar 5.000. Berapa?
This is not for.
5,000?
No, I can't.
Yes.
You are irresistibly beautiful, but your bad luck is that I'm married for 38 years. I know how to say no. How old are you, Nikita?
Me? 35.
You're kidding me.
Yeah.
You look no more than 25. I swear.
Like, what do you think before?
25.
25? I have
Allah.
3 kids.
You are?
I have 3 kids.
You had 3 kids?
Yeah, I'm a single
Mashallah.
parent.
Imagine.
3 kids?
Yes.
Bravo.
And I'm a single parent. I don't have any husband. I don't have any boyfriend. So you give me a good price because I don't have much money.
And Nikita, I have so many mouths to feed. I have 7 children. I have 3 wives.
Is it true? It's a true story. It's a true story.
Well, mine too. I mean, not the 3 wife and the 7 children, but we're just getting out of a very deep, situation. Look. When you look
This
at the
is
back.
handmade with the
Yeah,
hand
yeah.
or machine?
No, it's handmade. Look, it is bamboo, and when you're looking, forget about the tag. Concentrate on the weave, on the fineness of the weave. You see, that tells you all about the work. Let me show one more. Kayseri getir bir tane küçük sırt göstereyim.
Tamam.
Look at the back of this one. You see, in each square centimeter of this, you would only have 5 by 5.
Yeah.
Or even less than that. On this one, you have 10 by 10.
10 by.
Okay. Do you want to count? Because this is how we show people the number of knots. Okay, get as close as you can to the magnifier, and you see the dots. Each dot is a knot.
Yeah.
And that is why the price of that one is not comparable with the price of that one. And that is why I cannot go below a certain price on that one compared to that one.
Iya, emang enak banget, cuy. Gue taruhnya buat alas meja makan lagi. Menggila nggak lo?
Okay, then I'm gonna say 7,000. So between 6,000 and 7,000, and you don't say no to what I'm about to say.
It's not because
it's not about the number anymore. It's about meeting in the middle. It's not going to be 6. It's not going to be 7. It's gonna be 600, 6,500. Shut up and say yes.
That must be more crazy, huh?
No, No, yeah. It's not because I just want to say no, not because I have to spend money to everything that I have to.
I don't care.
You have to care.
I only care about what you
spend
spend
a
here.
lot in Turkeys.
Waiting for the government to pay me back.
Wah, ini mewah.
Tapi lebih ya sih lebih ini maksudnya. Ini sederhana sih Jam.
Ih, tapi harganya sama.
Enggak sih, ini sih.
Lebih bagus sih.
Ini sih warnanya.
What did you do? You know, seriously, if I were you, I would go for both of them at $6,000.
Enggak, ini bagus. Tapi di sini murah kan?
Okay, which one would you like to use?
Jakarta double, triple kan.
Hey, darling, that is my gift. Okay?
Ini buat apa?
Di kamar bisa.
Buat
Bawah. Di depan
Keset.
TV bisa. Ya buat keset cantik aja, cuma diinjek kan,
Enggak,
mahal.
ini nggak nyerap air, bukan keset.
945.
1000, 13 juta kurang.
This is for wall hanging.
Bukan buat ini, like this.
Yeah, you can do that if you want, but that's okay. But it is for, it's art. Getir abi kaşlarını da
Only one free? Only.
Huh?
Only one? I don't understand.
This is more expensive than the bigger one.
Oh really?
Shut up.
I love it. This for me? For me.
No, it's not for you. Choose one.
Wow.
Choose one, Nikita.
Ini warnanya bisa berubah loh. Iya, ini bagus loh. Bisa loh, semuanya bisa berubah cuy.
Linkish.
Okay, that one?
Oke.
Okay. Now, that part of the footage I'm gonna speak in Turkish for my own audience. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's
Okay. Sevgili fotoğraf çekmek kolay ailesi dostları. Bugün çok cici bir arkadaşla tanıştık. Kendisinin 4,5 milyon takipçisi var. Kendisine çok güzel bir halı sattık. Şu halıyı sattık. Show the carpet here. Bir de şu halıyı hediye ettik. Böylelikle gerçek mesleğimi de öğrenmiş oldunuz ama çok da eğlendik. Çok da keyif yaptık. Gerisini daha sonra anlatacağım size. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dikasih loh, Cong.
So much. Yang beli siapa?
Ambil.
Ambil, Beb.
Oh, mahal loh. Mahal loh, lihat. Harganya berapa? $324 Amerika ya. Di sini nggak dijualnya bukan pakai dolar.
Aku punya 351 dong.
Bukan pakai dolar. Berapa?
5 juta.
Make certain that they know my name in your channel when they come to Turkey to buy a carpet.
Oke.
This is Matiz. We are in Orta Hisar. And my name is Erdinç. But call me Ed. It's gonna always be easier.
Yes.
Okay.
He is kind person. He give me a lot of discount.
Yes, you shouldn't say that.
So if you want to buy something, carpet original handmade, just come here.
Okay, me not understand English,
Yeah.
I call that, but that's okay. Come, we'll talk about it.
Come. Untung gua duitnya banyak. Jadi kalau mau beli apa-apa tinggal beli. Gak usah mikir karpet. 100 juta aja dibeli. Tapi itu keren. Kalau di Jakarta mungkin harganya bisa 3 kali lipat dari harga yang di sini. Karena itu handmade, original. Jadi jangan lihat harganya, tapi lihat seninya, artnya yang kalian nggak bisa dapetin di mana-mana. Jadi ini karpet harganya $15.660 Amerika. Karena ini international store, jadi ini harga aslinya, tapi Babah kasih diskon jadi $7.000. Yes, ini pakai debit ya, bukan credit card. Debit. Thank you so much. Lunas.